the 4 Varnas. I have already explained Purusha, Shukta, Aimu, Rigveda, etc. The 4 Ashramas anta tagondaga, first one will be the Brahmacharya Ashrama, next one will be the Grihastha Ashrama, next one will be the Vanaprastha, next one will be the Sannyasa. So this is what you are going to do in your ashramas. The rituals and rules anta bandaga, the rules of Varna caste system de barutte. Ashramas also same thing. Illa helidini, knowledge seeking. Rules and rituals alli Brahmacharya is the knowledge seeking phase of your life. Grihastha Ashrama basically the progeny are continuing the life form in the olden days. Vanaprastha as a wanderer, sannyasi let go of the worldly pleasure. And this one only we went on to see the moksha and salvation. The cycle of life and birth is called as
samsara.
So ending this eternal cycle, it is called as
Moksha.
moksha or salvation.
Salvation.
So this is what we saw with respect to marriage. I mean the Hindu organization.